This is the first time I saw an Optimus Prime. Parang walang ganun sa Pinas. Optimus! Hi! It's our first time entering a mall here in Canada. We are at the Lawrence Allen Center. Ayun, may Service Canada rin. Ayos pala eh. Owned and managed by Rio Can. Ayun yung Fit for Less, oh. Open 24/7. Dito kaya si Kuya Joy? Yeah. Okay. I'll shoot again kapag mas malapit na. But dun kami papunta. Lawrence Allen Center. First time entering a mall. PetSmart, Charities of Canada, National Adoption Week. Oh, where are we? I think this is PetSmart. This is a dog shop. This is a pet shop. I think mali tayo. But let's check if may way to get to the mall from here. This is the first store we've been to in Canada. A pet store.
But there's no exit.
Ah, so hindi pala magko-connect yun to the main mall. Oh, doggy.
Yes.
So hindi siya magko-connect. Okay.
Okay.
Balik sa labas.
Ito.
Oh, hindi. Emergency exit only. Wag.
Okay.
Oh, that's the... I think that's the mall proper. So hindi magko-connect talaga. Oo. Yan yung house niya, Ray. Kasakala mo yung shoutout. Akala ko binabawal niya ako sa pag-shoot. Akala ko binabawal niya ako sa pag-shoot pero wala siyang pakialam sa akin. Okay, we're going out. Okay, so push to open. Here, love. Push to open. Wow. Automated doors. Hi. This is our first mall here in Canada. Ano, Ray? Ano sabi mo? HomeSense. Structube. Oh. Mayar Lingerie. Nail art. Premier Hair Center. Yeah. Okay. Konti yung tao rin, no?
I'm not used to this kind of place.
Madami space.
Ayun, new fitness.
Ayun, Fit for Less. Let's check the gym where we may possibly exercise. If this is the same gym that Kuya Joy has been talking about. Ayun, Dollarama. I like the sound of that. I think it's a dollar store. I mean, it's Dollarama. Yeah, it's dollar plus. Ay, punta tayong Dollarama. Lawrence Times Square. Anyway, mag-inquire na rin tayo. How much here? So, this is open 24/7. Fit for less. Everybody happy. Nasaan? Fit for less. Oh, dami talagang tao. Ah, hindi man. Malaki lang siya. Yeah, of course. Of course, mag-stop na ako here. Okay. We'll be entering Fit for Less by Good Life. I'm gonna stop videoing for now. Bye, love. So we're at Fit for Less. And we found something amazing about this. We'll be entering in a bit. I'll show it in a bit. So, on how to register here. So there's no, you'll see, there's no human element to registration, which for me is a great thing, at least kasi nakakaya kapag nagsa-start mag-gym, right? And just quick panning on the size of this gym. Wow. So this is what I've been talking about. So it's self-service. Do it yourself. You join, you get your card, you manage your account, you buy a guest pass. Let's try. Well, there's no... Yeah. Join now? Oh.
Put in our details.
Previews.
Buy a guest pass.
$20 per guest pass. Your guest pass offers one-time access. So front desk. Okay. So $20 para one time. So that's 800. So definitely not. How to join? Sige, lagayin mo na lang yung sa akin.
Wala silang
Okay na.
shift.
Okay, I'll stop now. So we now see the promos or the offers that they have. So it's $8 every 2 weeks. So $16 every 1 month. So less than $20. $20 is 800. So around mga 600 something. Wow, per month.
What does that mean? Free weights up to 100 pounds. They'll give you free weights.
Yeah, I don't
Or
know.
they'll allow you to borrow free weights.
Totoo.
Ewan. Additional squat racks and cables. Plus
Totoo.
lots more. Free unlimited hydro massage
Yeah.
vacuums.
Pwede mo na natin try yung every 2 weeks.
Yes.
Pero imagine mo, ito is 10, 20, $26 yan eh. Or $28 kasi 14. 30 times 40 is 1,200. Ah, diba? Wait, sorry. This is 14, $28 per month. So $30, 30 times 40. 1,2 lang yung black card. Essentially. I mean, more or less, mga 1,4 siya. So less than 1,5. So half pa rin nung nasa Pinas tayo. Yung ano na yun all for less amenities plus. Okay, so we'll be considering this once we have our bank account details ready. For less is $8, so 8 times 2, 16. 16 times 40, 15 times 40, yeah, mga ganun. 15 times 40, 0, 20, 700. Close to 700 lang. We can do it for 1 month na. So definitely makapag-gym kami ni Ira here. Definitely. Then it's...
Cheaper.
Huh? Cheaper. Yeah, so it's around 750 or around 1,500 per month, which is definitely a lot cheaper. Okay? So we'll think about it. Definitely we'll be gymming, but that's not our goal for today. So goodbye. Hey love, so we're now entering Dollarama. This alerts my neurons, and we love discount stores. So let's see what can we buy for $1.
I doubt it.
Am I seeing this correct? Is this $1? This is 40 pesos. Okay. So 40 pesos yung how about this one?
It's 1.50.
So 80 pesos pa rin to. Mahal ang Gatorade. Yung tubig mura. How about this? 80 pesos to. Pwede na. Ay. Sorry. May shades. Equipment. Sorry, trying to avoid people. I mean, avoid shooting people. Hey, panlinis, panlinis. Let's go to the more juicier stuff. Totoo. Basket?
Or plastic.
Oo nga, hanap tayong plastic. Okay, punta tayo sa more interesting ones. Okay, mga containers. Containers. What? Ito na. Ito na. Ayra, picture ka dyan. Canada Day. Ito. Ayra. Canada Day. Hindi man natin lang kung ganun ba yung ano nila. Oh, Canada. Daming Canada ano.
Merch.
Canada merch. Kano kaya yung mga clothes dito? How much yung mga damit try? Ito 4. So mga 160. May mga cup ka na. Diba? Curious ako sa mga shirts try. Magkano sila nagsha-shirts? If you want this Canada hat, it's 160 pesos. $4.
Okay lang.
Yeah.
Same lang.
Pero 40 ko siya na ano, mga 42 dapat. Mga ganun, no? 1.8. How about how much today?
It's wala nakalagay.
Wala.
Menhumus.
Canada vibes.
Wala.
So, ba? Canada vibes. Canadian vibes. Ay.
See?
Ay. Ano pa tayong iba? Ay, may mga Crocs din there. Canada sleepers, how much? $3, 120. So may mga mura lang talaga, hindi mahal lahat. Kaya mga 120 lang. 30. Pero may mga taxes pa ata apart from that, diba? Mga GST. So I think dadami yan eh. Diba? Parang may 25% or something na tax pa. Campbell. So 80 pesos. 120 pesos. Tuna. Mahal din, 50 pesos or 60 pesos. Ito rin, magustuhan ni Daddy sa part na to. Yan, mga bike. Bike stuff. 120. Tostitos. Kisses. Not bad. 120. Recess. Ganun din. Around 120 rin. Not bad. Wow, ito. 60 pesos. Yeah. Pero parang sabi nila better bumili pa ng bigger ones, diba? Parang SNR sa Pinas. Mas mura lalo. Costco here. Sorry. Oh, Chips Ahoy. How much?
3 times 4.
So mga 160 rin.
160.
Same price.
Same price.
So same price nga talaga.
160 lang?
Yeah.
Parang mas mahal yun sa atin.
Yeah. So hindi nga mas mahal naman. Kaya lang may ano pa, tax pa. So rather similar. Yeah, pero per pack to. Pwede ba bumili ng cheaper pa? Ano pa mga interesting na chichirya? 120. Mas mahal din yung mga chichirya here. I think same sa Australia. Ito, 60. Not bad.
Not bad.
Yung mga pet stuff. You can ask. Products.
Soap. We need soap.
Hindi pa naman kapag need na. Or wala na ba?
Kapag na lang need na, no? Meron pa naman tayo soap.
I think so. Ano sigaw? Need na ba natin? Temptations. Yeah, pag need na lang, meron pa naman eh. Para, let's see, baka hindi pa natin familiar yung place eh. Baka Old Spice. The scent that never dies. I think yun yung ad nila. Ato, payong. Ayun, Rayo. May nakita na ako gusto mong payong, oh. Canadian, no? Hindi ba yan?
Hindi. Red lang.
Red lang.
Parang Japanese.
Canada, EST, July 1, 1867. $3.50. At least. Okay, hanap ka muna ng umbrella dyan. I think these are fake plants. Laptop containers for around 160. School products for my siblings. Kind of school products here. Okay, mga 120. Not including the tax. 160. Ata pala.
Pang ano lang siya?
Pang rain.
Rain, oo. Wala siyang protection.
Yung umbrella.
Oo.
Ay, ano pa tayo ba? School products. So, applicable to kay Apples and Nina. Oh, yan na. Miss na ang Pinas.
Hindi, I mean, wala namang ganito sa Pilipinas.
Totoo. Grabe naman. Where naman?
Promise.
Mas marami lang. So, funny birthdays. Hanap tayo ng mga witty. Oh, a friend like you is a joy from the start. A friend like you has a beautiful heart.
Oo. Ang ganda.
Totoo.
Wala na promise.
Funny birthday. Everyone birthday. Ano yung nasa that? Didn't you bring a condiment? Frisky. Funny yan. Oh, just for you, Mom. Oh, parang may touching here. When do I need you, Mom? May punchline dapat to. Paki-open lang.
Oh, it does not allow it.
Two hands up. Oh, when there's something I need to talk through. When life is great.
Ho-hum.
When do I need you, Mom? Always. I love you so much. Have a beautiful birthday. Wow. Ganda. Ah. Sige, ayos. Happy birthday to my wife, the woman I do anything for. Hindi pa tapos dyan yan. Sure, it probably won't be done right the first time, but I definitely do it. Ito yung work dun sa ano, diba? 500 Days of Summer. Yan yung ginagawa niya.
You're right. That is
Funny, thank you. Meron pang bar mitzvah dun, Ray, oh. Alam mo talagang nasa Canada na tayo. Nasaan yun? Nasaan yung bar mitzvah? So, iba-ibang cultures na.
Yeah. Pero ang ganda ng card. $1 lang.
$1, no? Galing, no? May pang bar mitzvah na. Talagang ano na. Wet wipes. Oh, kids squad. Kids birthday. Sure. Oh, Hershey's. Oops. Hello.
Hello.
Okay, bumalik na tayo here.
Ayan, mga sunblock. Banana boat.
Ah, mga sunblock na. Gusto mo na?
Pero meron pa naman tayo.
Okay.
Pero we can buy.
At least malapit lang to.
Yeah.
Balik na lang tayo kapag kailangan.
Wala.
Papapalit lang tayo, di ba?
Oo. Hindi tayo.
It's okay. Magtanong tayo sa baba kung saan makakabiling presto.
Ito siya. Nasa speram.
Okay. So, nakita na natin lahat to. We're stopping our video now. Goodbye.